Hey guys, Rob Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here. Now today, we're having a look at Mayn. Mayn. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce it, but what this app is a Kegel exercise app aimed at helping exercise down there for various other benefits that we'll get into. So, does it work? Will it work? Will it give you the stamina and the endurance to rock some worlds? Let's jump in and find out what it's all about. Okay, so jumping right in, we're greeted to this screen normally. So you can see I've done month 1, day 4. They offer a 7-day free trial, so that's what I'm on at the moment. So I've been using it and completing the exercises, which is the main part of the app. So the whole main focus. You can have a look at the FAQ, what it's meant to do for you, for your intimate life, your stamina, strength, enhanced sensations, and overall health, risk of male diseases, improved bladder and bowel control, hemorrhoids and prostasis. And it tells you how often, blah, blah, blah. A whole bunch of information about why you're actually doing this as well. You can see I've done one today already. You can see all the exercises that you've got there. Now, like the last one there, you're training for 106 days before you actually get to that last one. So what that means, what that does, why you wait so long, I'm not actually sure. And I'm sure too you could go find all of these exercises somewhere else. But not getting out of that. And you got your difficulty level down here as well. So I'm on 4. They're not too difficult. It's really just variations on clamping and cutting that, and to do it, it is like just squeezing or stopping pee midstream, if you've ever done that, for guys. Probably girls too, I'm not sure exactly how that all works down there, whether it's the same, whether you can, but I know for guys it's very easy to do. If we jump in, and I'll just show you a brief look at what some of them are like, and we'll fast forward through, so relax slowly, squeeze, and relax. And so one of the things I do like about this is that when you get your vibrating function on this as well, so it'll start and then dissipate, so you can hold it and know where you're supposed to be up to on it. But also too, like, it is that muscle, so it's not much, like I'm actually doing this as we're going. I'm practicing my control on that. So you can do it just about anywhere as well. Like if you've got a commute or something, you could do this without really looking like a weirdo on the train. But we're going to zoom through the rest of all these, and they're all pretty basic exercises of just different ways of contracting. I'm exaggerating here, but really I'm doing it as we're going here as well. So there's not a whole lot that you need to actually do. So we're going to fast forward through the rest of all this. And there we have it. So that takes about 4 or 5 minutes at the moment, and it does get longer and longer. Like I think you started at about 2 minutes or so, but it does get longer, and there are more exercises that you can unlock, but you can't unlock them all at once and blah, blah, blah. You can't even try any of these exercises that you haven't unlocked. So it does keep you coming back for more exercises, but I'm sure that you could easily find these exercises somewhere else, and for free, probably. So what else is there to keep you paying? So you've got your insights. These are little Instagram style stories that they have. With, as you can see there, a bit of research backing it up as well. So there's plenty of them about nutrition, overall health. So as you go through them, you can see that they complete as well. So you've always got something to sort of look at or do or whatever else as well. So it's pretty good in that sense. For some reason now the app is doing a whole bunch of weird stuff to me. But anyway, then you got your profile. So you can see how many days you've been consistently training, your difficulty level once again, your subscription status, if it's active, your terms and conditions, which haven't been updated since 2019, so that's an interesting one. Your privacy policy. Now, this is where some stuff gets a bit weird. So your terms and conditions. I think you're using our Kegel community app account. Now, there is something about it being Dr. Kegel as well. So has this app been marketed before and changed names a bit, or what's happening there? So billing terms. But anyway, that's your settings. So that's it. No more personal information getting out on that one, which is good. But that's really about all that there is to it. So there's not a great deal, apart from the exercises themselves, which are good. So now I've got an extra session that I can use to get results faster. But I mean, you can always go in and do however many exercises you want, just singularly as well. So you can map those out and Kegel to your heart's content if you really want to. For this app, how much are you looking to pay? You're looking about $93 a year, which, I mean, sounds expensive in one way but not in the other. Like, I mean, I pay, I think, $60 a month for the gym, but this is just an app on exercises that I'm just going to have a quick squiz on YouTube even. Basic pelvic floor, strength and men's health, and it looks like there are a lot of different videos there you can watch as well. Male pelvic floor exercise increase blood flow to the groin area. Yep, that one's going to be fun. So it all comes down to how much you're going to use it, what you're going to use it. Are you like, is this something that you need? For me, this app didn't send me any notifications. I did almost leave it a day. And then I went in and it's like, you haven't done your exercises. It's like, well, you haven't sent me anything either to remind me either to build this habit. So whether that's something I haven't set, whether the app just doesn't send you little push notifications or whatever, I'm not sure. It's the exercises, yeah, I don't mind them. I like that, and it's something you can do wherever, whenever as well. But is it worth $93 a year for you? Will you even use it for a year? Or by the end of that year, when you unlock that last exercise, like in 100 days or whatever, will you have known enough to be able to do enough with it? Will you be able to build your own routine and just sit there and do your exercises, like wherever and wherever? You could be standing there on the bus, just getting it out, doing some exercise, I mean. But it's one of those things, is this as useful as it probably could be? And are you just rushing in, paying some money for stuff that you can find for free? And that once you know how to do it, you can do it your own way. Once you learn the routine, like it does build, I think it says it ends up getting to about 15 minutes. If you've got 15 minutes just to sit there and open and close and whatever else, cool. But yeah, at the moment it suits, but I don't think I'd pay for it. And so that as it stands is about a 5 out of 10. For the price, what you're getting, your little Instagram stories which are backed up by some scientific studies and all that sort of stuff, which is cool, but not quite enough to justify the price when there are much better apps out there based on whole body exercises and stuff as well that charge less, as well as more health things. So if they put in like a nutrition plan and other things as well, you get a lot more value out of that bang for your buck, so to speak. The app is beautiful. It works flawlessly. With the exercises, you can only pause it, so you can't skip any exercises. I suppose that's part of the routine, but I mean, basically it's just variations on opening and closing that muscle or getting that muscle to contract and relax. So yeah, it's cool. It does its job. Try it out for a few days, see if you like it, see if you want to pay for it, see if you need it in that routine to build it, or can you make your own routine once you've got some basic exercises under your belt that you learn from somewhere else. Choice is yours. That's why it's just middle of the road 5. Anyway guys, what do you think about Mayn, whatever? Leave a comment down below. And yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe on this video, and I will see you in the next video.